First, let's install the bearing races. These are crucial for smooth operation, so make sure they are seated properly. Next, pack your bearings with grease. This step is vital for reducing friction and preventing wear. Once your bearings are ready, place more grease in the housing. This additional lubrication helps to ensure long-term performance. Now, install the outer seal. This keeps contaminants out and maintains the integrity of the assembly. Press the axle into the housing. While you can drive it in with a hammer, I find it much easier and safer to use a press. Add more grease into the housing and then install the bearing. The grease ensures everything moves smoothly. Finally, install the seal. This step completes the assembly and keeps everything in place. And there you have it, a properly assembled skid steer axle and housing. Remember, taking your time and using the right tools can make all the difference. Happy working!